Hi, this is just the same video, but with me talking in English. Um, Here I have the Bible. Today I will talk about a topic that is really important, and the topic is about um, but before that, I would like to say Happy Sabbath. I am about to go to the church now in some minutes after my breakfast. So what I'm about to say is in the name of Jesus. I'm not afraid to say that in English because in the Spanish it sounds like more rude or something like that. But okay, let's continue. It's something really serious. In the Bible, um, there's a part that says that Jesus um, said something, and after that, he in the Bible it says that he said that making all the animals pure. And actually, that reading is not true. I will repeat that. Actually, that reading is not true. In the Exodus and even in the Deuteronomy, in those two books, we have that God talked to Moses about um, how to guide his people. I mean, how to guide us, because even that the time has passed, the some things has not changed. I mean, have not changed, and one of them is this: there are only two kinds of animals: the impure animals and the n- not 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 allowed not allowed animals to eat. I don't know how to say in mundo. That's the word in Spanish. Let me look for that. Give me a second. I will look for it even in my phone if you want, just for you to see that it's me that I'm talking. So I will look for it. I will pause the video for a second. Okay, here it says that the word is unclean. So there are two kind of animals. And you may be laughing right now. You may be saying, "Oh yeah, that's another fanatic, uh, vegetarian Adventist." No, actually, I feel grateful because I can see this clearly, and 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 I feel bad because on those times when the Bible was written, they couldn't see that. But let me explain you what I want you to understand. The animals were impure, I mean not pure, and unclean. The unclean ones were worse. I mean even more bad if you eat them than the ones that were impure. So God decided that the people only eat the impure animal, but not the unclean one. It's like it's like it's like a person that you see that never take a bath, for example, never take a bath, or if he takes a bath, it's like twice a week. I don't know, but the thing is that it becomes something that it's a barrier between you and that person is spiritual, and God doesn't want you to break that because those animals are not for being eaten. Those animals are actually animals that are, as its name says, as its kind, as its type says, unclean. So that's why, for example, the president that was is promoting the uh, pro health um, reform. I don't know how to say that in English, but I think that is like that. And that is really, really, really important. We know that more than the 80% of the people who live more in the world live in Loma Linda. Yeah, how to say that in English? Uh, nice hills um, in the United States. So what I want to say is, please forget about even eating the animals. And what about the vision? The vision that Peter had, that 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 appeared like something with a lot of animals, and told to him, God told him, Peter, kill and eat. Actually, when he when he did that just as a way of of showing him how the Holy Spirit can work with him and through him, and as anyone else in any moment and as any way that he wants, because he even said that don't say that something is impure. And look at this, he said impure, not unclean. Don't say that something is impure when I make it holy. But he is not establishing he is not establishing that the uncleans are holy. No, 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 no. He is he is making he is making holy some animals that are impure, but but for the people who needs to eat animals, maybe because of the economy, the way they were educated, and something like that. But the best um, the best decision is actually, if you have the money and you have the resources and the time, is that you change from eating animals from not eating them. So that's it. This video is larger because I am talking in another language, but I said actually the same thing. So God bless you, and please choose for the best. It's like the time that Moses says, here I put you the life and the death, the blessings and bad things. I don't know how to say the opposite of blessings. Uh, you see, so and he said, choose the life. Let's use the right hand. Choose the life so for you and your family lives. So that's it. Please take take this video as serious as it looks, because really I am speaking that language that you are understanding, and I know that you are understanding that because I took an advanced uh, course. I was an advanced in this decision, and also God makes me even more better because He is with me. So I know that He will be with you, and my praying will be that you understand message, this message that I'm giving to you, even though it is in a humble place. I don't care about that. What I actually care is that maybe two or three or four or five people listen to this and understand this and change their lives. And after that, they can even see they can even see the results